Welcome back to Muslim Convert Learning Arabic. As I was going through my book that I use for the alphabet and other things, you can watch previous videos where I use this book on my channel. There are quite a few videos that I've done. So as I was going through the book, I noticed this one called a shaddah. This is this little, like a W with a fatha. This is a shaddah with a fatha on it, but you also get the shaddah with a kasra and a dhamma. And if you don't know what the kasra and the dhamma is, this is a fatha on top of letters, the kasra under letters is line, and I've done a video which you can also watch. And this little W is the shaddah, and you can also find it on words with dhamma. And what does this shaddah mean? It's a replacement. This means this letter is double. It makes like a double letter. So if you were to write this, doubling it, let me just move this from what I've been researching. Okay, I'll write this baba. If it was written without the shaddah, it would look like, so that's the ba and ba. So it would be, according to this, this is how I'm writing. This is the ba, and then there's a ba with a fatha there. So instead of writing two bas like there, so these are three bas, but the first ba doesn't have a shaddah. So the shaddah is on the second ba, which will be two bas. So instead of writing it like that, it's written like this. Ba. And those two bas, instead of doing the two bas, you put a fatha according to this example. Like I showed you earlier, there is words with the kasra and also the dhamma. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.